You can fit a lot of junk in that sucker. Look at that thing.
Lazy Susan.
Yeah, and then these things somehow snap together. No, we're just gonna line them up. I'm gonna take them in one at a time. And some of the tops. Now we don't have, I think there's a few cabinets that I'm still missing, you know, that we're waiting on. I think one upper and then two of the longer tops. Oh, these are all the hanger boards. Six of 6. This is like my first set of like real tools. Not this, but in this shipment somewhere. Hopefully. I think all the tools were good. So I'm less excited for the cabinets than I am for the darn tools. So these are all the back pieces, right? Oh yeah. That's a big old cabinet, huh?
I'm just wondering if it's poured it down to the base.
Nope.
Oh.
Just tilt it up. You can fit a lot of junk in that sucker. Look at that thing.
Lazy Susan.
Yeah, and then these things somehow snap together. Yeah, there's like a little foot thinger that attaches down here, and they like, I think it,
Can I clip together?
I don't know. And then I think they bolt. That's what we're gonna have to figure out. These might have a bunch of tools in them. I wonder if these are all keyed the same, or if they have a bunch of.
Oh, wouldn't that be old? You thought you had trouble with the trailer. They're all different.
Ooh, yeah, see, I ordered all kinds of these. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That's just the beginning of organization. Oh, yeah. Now we're talking. So we'll put the key in the upper left of each drawer. Make sure they lock the key in the drawer. Theoretically shouldn't be possible, right? Ooh.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Oh yeah. I guess if they're too tight, you can't get it in there.
Mm-hmm. Got some movement. Stuff moved around during shipping. Uh-oh, look at this. 3/4 drive.
I think
Mack trucks, we're working on Mack trucks.
SAE.
Wow.
I don't mess around.
So that means these are going to be extremely heavy then.
That's what the corner unit is.
Yeah. We thought the corner unit was heavy. Guess we should move that into position.
Impacts. Yeah, I think these are going to go over there. That's not too bad. I don't want to put it too far because, I mean, we're going to have to move these all around again. Okay. I love how easy this is to unbox. This makes it fun, you know, unbox this stuff versus massive amounts of labor. Yeah, this is everyone's dream. It's a car guy. This is gonna go somewhere around here. It's cool how they put all the keys are right on the front. see what these look like. There we go. See, my original design was to put all the tools here, but I think I want the tools here.
Yeah.
But so let me just look at what the sizing I'd figured out. Yeah, see, look, it's recycling, trash. Cool. Or what? Okay, let's lift it up.
Okay. Oh yeah, right.
All right, put it down. Now the problem is there are absolutely no instructions. So we got to figure out how to put these things together. The other problem is I don't think I'm supposed to have tops on these. So that drawer is going to go in the middle here. So this is going to go over here. So the trash can's going to go somewhere over there, or should it go over here? So if these are the centerpiece, so this, that, so this is staying here. This is where all the tools are going to be. Actually, no, this is going to be over one. So this, there's a 34 that goes in between. Okay, right. So we're going to put this there. Yeah. Okay.
So they all have their own little stainless steel top. That's
No,
how it works.
no. I got a 52-inch and an 86-inch. This has its own top, another 86-inch.
Oh, okay.
So they just sent this on there. Well, it's good that this one will be sitting, and that way we won't have to worry about leveling any of these. Because look, this all looks great.
Yes, that's good.
Maybe that corner. That corner. Have a little bit of leveling to do, but so I think that's the ticket. Now that looks legit. Oh my gosh. I almost don't even want to put the uppers in.
Oh, you got to put them. So that means we got to slide them out because we got uprights. Those uprights to put on.
Yeah, who knows how the heck we're going to do this. I don't know how this works, but we're going to figure it out.
There's got to be somewhere there's got to be instructions.
Yeah,
It's not that hard.
I think this is the layout. It makes this place feel less claustrophobic. It makes it feel bigger. Because what happens when the force pulls you back, your foot naturally comes off the gas. You have to keep your foot to the floor, foot to the floor.